right on the good signal. I better get a video of this before I blow up the radio. This is strictly off of solar, no battery. Trying to run 25 watts. And I see I've already peaked down at 5 amps going into the super capacitor. But I've got it's 13 volts out, sagging just a bit at 25 watts from the FT-1200. The only problem is, or the weak spot is, it's regulated with one transistor, a 2N3055. This was the box that I made for field day using the 817 with a homemade solar panel some years ago. So, all right, I better give it a rest. I bet that transistor is getting hot. KP2AE, W4DX, totally on solar, no battery.
Oh, wow, amazing. Okay. How about one of them, whatever, big capacitors? Or a couple of them in there, you know, to kind of